Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2020 ID Series 2 Wave 1. There are 9 ID cars in this wave, and I got these from a local distributor. So the first car is the Nightburner. You can see it says Series 2. The Nightburner. So this is Nightburner's 1 out of 4. This car, you can see, is gray, and the red lines, the red and white stripes, Hot Wheels right here, then ID, the red base, of course ID chip too. And the colors on this car look pretty good. This car was a super treasure hunt in 2007. So the next car is a 19 Acura NSX. You can see it's from HW Turbo, 1 out of 4. So this car is a dark orange. And of course it's Spectra Flame like all these cars. A black roof. Hot Wheels ID. No tampos on it. But this car looks really nice in this clean look. It reminds me of the Super that they made, but in a more darker color. This car is actually the same thing as a 17 Acura NSX, and even the base says 17, not 19. So next up is a Volkswagen T1 GTR. This is from Speed Rigs, number 1 out of 4. Then you can also see they added some words on the back. This is new. And then also it says designed in El Segundo right there. Let's take a look at the car. This Volkswagen is dark blue. Nice top. The flames on the top and the flames on the side. And I prefer the first one. I just think the colors go a lot better. But the dark blue and gray on this car are pretty nice. This car has only been made once, and it was an ID version. So next up is a tank full. This is from Speed Rigs, number 2 out of 4. So you can see this is a lot of metallic right here. Metro Fuel, Spectra Flame Red. This truck is a new casting, and I'm sure we will see it many more times. So next up is a 17 Nissan GTR R35. This is from HW Turbo, number 2 out of 4. So this is dark blue. Not really any tampos, the backlights though. And I like this a lot more than the white version. I just think the blue is a lot better. We have seen this car as a mainline, ID, Toy Fair, and Tanner Fox version. So next we have the twin mill. This is from HW Metro, number 1 out of 4. So this is an iconic car. A lot of people know this car. Mostly every Hot Wheel collector does. And then this is the police version of the twin mill. So you can see police, then the red and blue stripes. On the back. This is already the 3rd time we have seen this car as an ID. So next up, we have the 71 Lamborghini Miura SV. This is from Factory Fresh, number 1 out of 4. So off the start, I definitely would rather prefer the gold version than this green. Because this is the green that you would put on more like a Huracan. But since it's a Miura, it still looks really nice. Just like the Nissan GTR, we saw this last year as an ID. So the next car is a 69 Copo Camaro. This is from Factory Fresh, number 2 out of 4. So this car almost has the same green as this, but it's a lot darker. And you can see the red lines, 2 headlights, and then just a clean vibe to the car. You can see the backlights. And then the stripes on the side right here. This is a new casting, and this isn't the 68 Copo Camaro or the 69 Camaro, but the 69 Copo Camaro. So the last car is a Roger Dodger. This is from Rod Squad, number 1 out of 4. So this is like the same gold we saw in the Mira last time. And you can see the orange and black flames. Hot Wheels ID. In my opinion, this looks really good in gold. We have seen this car so many times, and this is the second time this has showed up as an ID. My favorite car out of this wave is the Nissan GTR. I really like the clean look to it. And this has the iconic dark blue on the car. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And tell me what your favorite car is out of this Series 2 Wave 1 of the Hot Wheels ID.